After so long, I am back in another video, and one of my friend is asking that how can I custom ROM my Infinix Hot 12? Can you make a video? Yes, I said I will make a tutorial video for you. So I got some time for my friend, and I'm making a tutorial video. Keep watching this and keep following me. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to download the SP Flash tool, and you should have a smartphone and laptop and original USB data cable for this option. Okay, I am downloading the SP Flash tool, but I already have this software in my PC. You can see the Flash tool, and the password is I think I have written. Let me open this and download for the. I will get the password from here. spplaystore.com password is it's opening, and Infinix Hot 12 scatter file you can say, or firmware file. You can see the smart SP Plus tool look like, and download the Infinix file firmware file from here. Download now. File size is 3.5 GB. That's a lot of the file. That is why I will just show you the guidelines step by step. You can do yourself properly. Please wait while it prepare the file. Okay, SPFlash tool is you can see, and on the file properly downloaded, you can choose the file here, and okay, the website is not working. 3.16 GB file downloaded. It's throwing me into the Google Drive. Okay, this is a 3.2 GB. Download the file from here. Sorry, you can't view download this file at this time. You can choose other option as well to download file. It's the wasting time. Just I don't recommend firmwarefile.com to my users ever. This is a perfect option. Your download is starting amazing. Yeah, save here. This is the file is downloading. Now understand the properly things download agent. This the perfect path. I'm already, and on the file downloaded, you can choose the file and put to your file here. I'm just showing you the options and problem solving. Okay, error, because that is not a scatter file, because the file is 3.5 GB and my internet is very low in this case. That is why I will just skip this option, and you can understand my guidelines. On the file you can put your smartphone data will be start showing. That's all. I have completely rooted your smartphone. You can see and follow the steps further. That's all. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.